Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform, NIVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 6. Let's see our today's topic. So look at the topic segment. It is written assignment number 2 discussions. I am telling again, our today's topic is assignment number 2 and discussion. Dear students, look here, this is our lecture number 17. My dear students of class 6, you know that your agriculture studies subject assignment 2 has been provided, and our today's discussions will be on the assignment 2. So in these connections, I request all of my students of class 6, those who have agriculture studies, please look at both. Look at the assignment first. So look here, it is class 6 assignment I have told here. It is unit and title of the lesson, you know, and this lesson, this assignment 2 taken from your chapter 1, agriculture in our life. If you open your this book, agriculture studies book, chapter 1, you will find it. Okay, so look here, its title is agriculture in our life. That means our second assignment is also on agriculture in our life, chapter 1. Now look here, lessons are given. Lesson 2 title is crop productions, fisheries, animals, birds and afforestation. Lesson 3 agriculture related necessary information and sources of getting services, and lesson 4 agricultural education and research institutions. That means our assignment 2 touches these 3 lessons, lesson 2, lesson 3 and lesson 4. Now look at the main items or main focused on our assignment, text or assignment. Okay, assign text or assignment. Look at this one. So look, there is the stream at first or the passage. Primary school teacher Rina Begum visited Nikali Upazila in 2020 to see Krishi Mela. She was attracted to the agricultural work after seeing the improved agricultural products on display at the fair. Various varieties of seedlings of different crops and trees, and became interested in conducting agricultural activities on her ancestral land. Next, to conduct agricultural activities, how Rina Begum will use the resources of an experienced farmer, agricultural fair, agricultural education, agricultural research, agricultural information and sources of services. Now look, present your opinion. That means you have to submit or you have to write or give your opinion by answering the following questions. So look, dear students, here you will get 5 questions, 1 to 5. Now look at the first one at first. What agricultural products did Rina Begum see at the agricultural fair? So dear students, what agricultural products did Rina Begum see at the agricultural fair? So before going to the answer of question number 1, I want to tell you the beginning of the assignment 2. So dear students, before writing assignment number 2, question number 1, I am telling you all, please take the introductions or the beginning of the assignment from this, it is beginning of our lecture, this page number 1. If you open your agriculture studies book, page number 1, you will get the beginning or the introductions of assignment 2. Please try to write some sentences as your introductions of assignment 2. Okay, I think it is clear to you now. Okay, beginning is done. Now I am going to the directly answer of question number 1. I am telling you question again. What agricultural products did Rina Begum see at the agricultural fair? Look at the main thing, it is agricultural fair. That means what did Rina Begum see at the agricultural fair? In this connections, I request my students of class 6 to go to open your book at page number 5. So look, I am telling it is page number 5 of your book. These 5 pages I have taken from your this agriculture studies book. So how many pages? 5 pages. Let's page 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now to get the answer of question number 1, I am telling you to go to the page number 5, then the point it is agricultural fair. Okay, here look, some informations are given. For example, agricultural fair, modern agricultural technology, agricultural tools and produced agricultural products can be seen only through agricultural fairs. So agricultural products or agricultural things, in these connections you will get a help from the book page number 3. Page number 3, okay. So look here, it is written crop productions. Crop productions is categorized into two types. One is field crops, then horticultural crops. Okay, that means going to the fair, Rina Begum has seen field crops, for example paddy, wheat, maize, jute, cotton, etc. These are related to field crops. Then you will write about horticultural crops. So look here, horticultural crops related to different kinds of vegetables, fruits, flower, spices, etc. Okay, that means number 1 answer, agricultural fair. Here you will take some sentences, then from page number 3 you will take help from crop productions, field crops and horticultural crops. Okay, if you write following the instructions, your answer number 1 will be standard. Now we will go to question number 2. Look here, from home. Okay, that means 1 number answer is done. I have given here tick, agricultural fair. Then here also you can take help. Okay, now question number 2. From home, can she get necessary information and services for the implementation of her agricultural activities? That means to implement her agricultural activities, as she is interested or attracted, how she will get help or what are the sources she will get help. That means number 1 is done. Okay, now from home, can she get necessary information and services for the implementation of her agricultural activities? In these connections, I request you to open your book page number 4. Look, page number 4. Then you will see, look here, agriculture related necessary information which she needs to grow crops, sources of getting services. Here look at the point. That means from your book page number 4 you will get the answer number 2. Information on agricultural matters or services given to farmers by an experienced farmer. Point number 1, experienced farmer. Then agricultural extension officers. So look here, point number 2, agriculture extension officer, staff of directorates of agriculture. Look, directors of livestock and directors of fisheries, responsibilities of the respective officials and persons are discussed below. So look here, some points in details are described. For example, experienced farmer. Then you will go to page number 5, you will get agriculture related directorates, then local agricultural office and agricultural affairs. That means from this point you will get the answer number 2. From whom she can get necessary information and services. Okay, then page number 4 you will get the answer like this one. Here this one is page number 4, 2. Okay, 2 answer. And please write the points like experienced farmer, then agriculture related directorates and local agricultural office. Okay, then after writing the points, please give some important lines from these points. Here some important points, please write this in your question number 2. Then agriculture related directorates some points and local agriculture office from, okay, some points you will write. That means from these 3 sources mainly she will get the information from, okay, and services to implement her agricultural activities. Now that means 2 number question is done. Now look, 3 number, which organizations can play a role in education and research on agriculture? Question number 3, which organizations, please focus on it. Organizations can play a role in education and research on agriculture. So look here it is, that means which organizations play an important role in education and research. Okay, in these conditions so look here, I am taking you to the page number, look here it is question number 3. So please go to your book page number 6. Here you will see agricultural education and research institutions. Okay, so look, page number 6 you will get agricultural education and research institution. Here you will get the point. For example, agricultural educations, this point number 3 you will Okay, and question number 3 you will get the answer. Agricultural education, then agricultural research institute, okay, then agricultural scientist. That means after reading these pages, page number 6 and 7, you will get the answer number 3. No need to write the whole things, okay, each and every sentences. Please take the summary. Okay, this thing is done. Now 4th number, how can an experienced farmer help Reena Begum? An experienced farmer, look, an experienced farmer help Reena Begum. Okay. Now in these connections I am, okay, please I am telling you to look at your book page number 4. Here you will get a point, it is directly written experienced farmer. Question number 4, okay. So look here, an experienced farmer is a local leader and an advisor. He spontaneously keeps connections with local agricultural extension officers and inquires about new technologies. That means from this point, experienced farmer, you will get the answer number 4. Please don't write each and every sentences from this point. Try to write your own sentences following this point, experienced farmer. Now question number 5, it is, how do you differentiate? So look here, how do you differ from a farmer and an agricultural scientist, or differentiate between a farmer and agricultural scientist? Look, 2 points. One is a farmer, another one is an agricultural scientist. That means here we need to know who is a farmer, or what do you mean by a farmer and what is an agricultural scientist. Now to get the definitions of a farmer, I am telling you to go to your book page number 7. So look here, it is written in pencil. I think you can see it properly. Okay, look here, it is written the definition of a farmer. Look here, a farmer grows crops, very common things. He sows seeds and seedlings, takes care of crops, uses various techniques to get better production of crops. Okay, that means from these sentences we have got the definition of a farmer. Now we will get the ideas of an agricultural scientist. So look here, it is written agricultural scientist. This one is also 5 number answer, and here also 5 number answer are given. So look, agricultural scientist. An agricultural scientist is one who works in an agricultural institutions and innovates or creates newer varieties. He can explain nicely the life cycle of a crop, and he stores different types of agricultural information. Such scientists are developing new crops, animal breeds and preservation method of crops, and it is bringing welfare of the country. That means here we have got the definitions or the activities of a farmer and an agricultural scientist. That means from page number 7 you will get the question number 5 answer. Okay. Dear students, I hope that you have understood assignment number 2 on our agricultural studies syllabus, and in these connections another live class will be held. If you have any query, please ask me in the live class. Inshallah you will get the solution of your questions. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.